You know that weird feeling when your car pulls to one side? Or maybe you've noticed decreased fuel economy? Or a burning smell coming from your wheels? These aren't just annoying quirks. They could be warning signs of a serious braking system problem. Hey drivers, Brian here. Today we're diving into a critical safety issue that could be affecting your vehicle right now: sticking brake calipers. I'll be breaking down the 5 most common causes of why they might not be working properly, and trust me, ignoring this problem could be dangerous for everyone on the road. First up are the caliper slide pins. These small components allow your caliper to move freely, applying even pressure on both brake pads. When these pins lack proper lubrication or their protective boots tear, moisture and debris get inside. This creates friction between the pins and their bores, eventually causing them to seize completely. Second, we have damaged piston boots and seals. Your caliper piston has a rubber boot that protects it from the elements. When this protective boot tears or deteriorates, moisture and road debris can penetrate the caliper assembly. This leads to corrosion on the piston and damage to the main seal, restricting the piston's movement and causing it to stick. The result? Your brake pads can't retract properly, remaining in constant contact with the rotor. Third on our list is restricted or damaged brake hoses. These hoses are more delicate than most people realize. If a brake hose becomes kinked, damaged, or clogged internally, brake fluid cannot properly return to the master cylinder after you release the pedal. This keeps hydraulic pressure on the caliper, preventing it from releasing completely. The fourth common cause is accumulated dirt and debris in critical areas of your braking system. Over time, brake dust, road grime, and other contaminants build up in the caliper assembly, particularly in the grooves where brake pads slide. This debris acts like sandpaper, creating additional friction and preventing smooth operation. Regular cleaning and inspection can prevent these issues. Finally, extended periods of non-use can lead to corrosion in your brake system. When a vehicle sits dormant for weeks or months, moisture has time to work its way into the brake caliper components, creating rust that restricts movement. This is especially common in areas with high humidity, or on vehicles that are stored outdoors. Now let's talk about how sticking calipers affect your driving. First, it creates uneven braking. Your vehicle will pull to the side with the sticking caliper during braking, making it difficult to maintain control. Second, it drastically reduces your fuel economy. Makes your engine has to work harder, burning more fuel, as it tries to compensate for movement restriction. Third, it causes excessive heat buildup. This heat can damage other nearby components, warp your rotors, and in extreme cases, even cause brake fluid to boil, leading to complete brake failure. Finally, it accelerates wear on your brake pads and rotors. So, what should you do if you suspect sticking calipers? Don't wait. Have your braking system inspected immediately. The safety risks aren't worth ignoring. Prevention is your best defense. Regular maintenance, including brake fluid changes and caliper inspections, can help avoid these issues. Have you experienced any of these symptoms in your vehicle? Drop a comment below and let me know. This is Brian, signing off, reminding you that understanding your vehicle isn't just about saving money. It's about keeping you and your loved ones safe on the road.